Did you know one woman brought down the most powerful company in America with nothing but a typewriter and unshakable integrity? Ida Tarbell could have looked the other way. Standard Oil was untouchable. Going after John Rockefeller meant risking everything. Instead, she spent 5 years in a tiny office, digging through thousands of court documents. Death threats arrived weekly. Corporate spies followed her every move. The entire oil industry tried to destroy her reputation. She kept working. Her 19-part investigation revealed how Rockefeller bribed officials, crushed competitors, and manipulated prices. Every fact checked twice. Every source verified. When McClure's magazine published her expose, the public erupted. The government finally acted. Standard Oil was broken into 34 companies. Overnight, Ida became America's most respected journalist. Her methods became the foundation of investigative reporting that still protects us today. People asked why she risked her career to fight a giant. She said, "Staying silent would have kept me safe for a moment. Speaking truth made me someone history could trust forever." One woman's integrity changed an entire nation. Because courage doesn't need permission. It just needs action.